Hey guys, if you're watching this video, most likely you're researching or looking for more information on OPM Wealth. I just want to tell you that my buddy Jason made a single post on Facebook that generated him over $33,000 in a single day. The same system my buddy Corey used to earn over $50,000 in a single day by simply sharing it in his Facebook group. Now, you can continue watching this video if you want to learn more about the OPM Wealth System, but at any time, you can simply just click the link below, create your free account, and you can get started right away. Now, OPM Wealth System is a great system. You can literally generate a huge income online without having to beg any friends or family to join, without having to have a huge social media following. I know I mentioned Facebook, but it's irrelevant. It just happened to work for those couple of people. You don't even have to have a big email list, guys. And even if you don't have any past experience, this still works. Let me remind you, this works even if you never made money online before, if you're brand new to the industry, or you may not have any capital to even start an online business. And this works even if you failed or have been scammed in the past. Again, there's a link right below this video. It's a special link that lets me know that you watched this video, you took interest, and you wanted to find out more about the OPM Wealth System. It is free to sign up, so go ahead and check it out. You'll learn all about the system and what they have to offer. Now, if you stick around, I'm going to talk more about the OPM Wealth System and give you my full review. The OPM Wealth System is a new high-ticket online business that pays out in cryptocurrency only. Now, OPM will teach you how to get wealthy by using other people's money, hence what OPM stands for. The OPM Wealth System uses cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin for payments. Now, the OPM Wealth System does promise that it has a 12 by 12 plan, which is 12 weeks to 6 figures and 12 months to financial freedom. And it will show you how to generate a massive wealth by using the system. Now, if you don't have a good credit, no problem. They will actually help you repair your credit so you can invest into an online business for yourself. Now, let's talk about the products. The OPM Wealth products, first few videos are going to discuss what it is, how it works, and how to get started. Then you're going to go straight into step 1, which is teaching you about the digital franchise, and you're going to go all the way up to step 17, which is teaching you about financial independence. Guys, the OPM Wealth System is packed with information that will help you generate income online even if you've never done it before. Now, the packages, once you decide to go further, they range anywhere from $2,000 and they go all the way up to $27,500. Again, these are commissionable products and they're paid in Bitcoin only. Now, again, guys, I want to remind you, if you're watching this video and you're looking to get more information on OPM Wealth System, there is a special link right below this video which indicates that you actually watched this video and took interest. So make sure you click it, guys. It's free to create your account. You can get started right away and start learning all about the OPM Wealth System. Now, the compensation plan. OPM Wealth System's compensation plan is a simple 2-tier system where you get 60% upfront from tier 1 and 10% on tier 2, which means that you get paid on 2 levels. So when you make a direct sale, you get 60% on your direct referrals, and when they make a sale, you get 10% on those referrals as well. And again, the packages range anywhere from $2,000 to $27,500, which means on the first level you get paid out $1,200 and $200 on the second level, and for the highest package you get paid $16,500 on the first level and $2,700 on the second level, and every single time there's a sale. So my conclusion, guys, OPM Wealth System is a great opportunity. It's a top-rated, high-ticket program with coaches that will do all the work for you guys and is a great way to earn Bitcoin daily. And by the time you're watching this video, as you can see, Bitcoin is on the rise and is definitely going to keep going to the top. And this is the time you want to be able to generate as much Bitcoin as you can and start to generate real wealth, guys. So again, there's a link right below this video. Feel free to click it. It's free to create an account. Go ahead and get started. As soon as you do, I'll be sending you a welcome video with my personal information. You can get in touch with me. I'll be more than happy to talk to you about this and show you all about the OPM Wealth System. Thanks for watching. My name is Alfredo, and take care, guys.